So there's Muslim girls in my school that are like, they like girls. I'm trying to do tabligh with them. What would be Hazur's advice?
See, you just show your own example. If you set your good example before them, then they will be attracted. They will listen to you. They will try to be friended with you, right? And this is the way you can expand your tabligh field. Right? Try to be an exemplary, good Ahmadi Muslim girl. Then that is the tabligh. No need to say Jesus has died, Jesus will not come again, God is one, God does exist. Islam is true religion. So if you do proper tabligh, you can bring them into the fold of Ahmadiyyat Islam. Okay?
Jazakallah Hazur.